Welcome to our channel. Please like and subscribe.
Korean for beginners. Simple phrases you can start using today. Imagine this. You're walking through Seoul. Neon lights glow around you. The sound of conversations, fast, rhythmic, beautiful, fills the air. Someone approaches you, smiles, and speaks Korean. And for a moment, everything pauses. Not because it's impossible, but because you don't know what to say. But what if, in just the next 15 minutes, you could learn simple Korean phrases that instantly make you feel more confident, more connected, more ready? Let's begin. First, greetings, because every connection starts here. Start with 안녕하세요. Hello. 안녕하세요. This is polite, safe, and widely used. If you want something more casual, 안녕. Hi. But be careful, only use this with friends. Now, morning greeting. 좋은 아침이에요. Good morning. And evening, 안녕히 주무세요. Good night, to someone going to sleep. Now, gratitude. In Korean, this is essential. 감사합니다. Thank you. 감사합니다. Very polite, very respectful. A slightly casual version. 고마워요. Thank you. 고마워요. Use it with people you're comfortable with. Let's keep it simple. Yes is 네, and no is 아니요. 네, 아니요. Practice them slowly. Let them feel natural. Now imagine you need help. You want to be respectful. Say, 실례합니다. Excuse me. 실례합니다. Use this to get attention or to pass by someone. And for requests, 주세요. Please give me. 주세요. Simple but powerful. Now, let's introduce yourself. Say, 제 이름은, your name, 입니다. My name is, your name, 제 이름은, 입니다. Or simply, 저는, your name, 이에요. I am, your name. And to say nice to meet you, 만나서 반갑습니다. Nice to meet you. 만나서 반갑습니다. Respectful. Perfect for first meetings. Start with 영어 할 수 있어요? Can you speak English? 영어 할 수 있어요. If you're confused, 이게 뭐예요? What is this? 이게 뭐예요? And if you didn't hear clearly, 다시 말해주세요. Please say that again. 다시 말해주세요. Ordering food. Now imagine you're in a restaurant. You see something you like. Point and say, 이거 주세요. This please. 이거 주세요. That's all you need. And when the meal ends, 잘 먹었습니다. I ate well. Thank you for the meal. 잘 먹었습니다. A beautiful expression of gratitude. Now, ending conversations. 안녕히 가세요. Goodbye, to someone leaving. 안녕히 가세요. Or, 안녕히 계세요. Goodbye, when you leave. 안녕히 계세요. And casually, 안녕. Bye. And just like that, you now have real Korean phrases. Not just vocabulary, but connection tools. Because language is not about perfection, it's about showing up, trying, connecting. So next time when someone speaks to you in Korean, don't freeze. Smile and say, 안녕하세요. And your journey begins.
That was excellent. Please like and subscribe for daily lessons. See you next time.